Take a ride in the 2018 R8. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 10-cylinder, 5.2-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, mid-mounted engine, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, sports suspension. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Audi Connect satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, a heritage of performance, luxury, and exquisite detailing. That, quite simply, is what the R8 is all about. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.